I'm Jordan Collison. I'm project manager for MCC and I've been in business 2 years. Day to day varies massively. Can be on site looking at large lost jobs, which could be fire or flood related. Work alongside the supervisors and techs on site, assisting them, organising, planning, financials. The list is never ending. Being part of Polygon is a nice team environment. We all get stuck in. If you're from PDRS, we'll get stuck in with MCC. Just feeling part of a team and collaborating together and working as a whole. Most recently, being part of MCC and have a promotion, we've been put on a Inspire program, which has allowed us to sort of get together from other areas of business and have outside training to develop our skills to, managerial point of view to push that along. So that's been really key, and also learning from others with their experience. That's been really beneficial to myself. I think you should come work for us because we are, market leaders. We want to be the best. We are the best. We're going to keep developing and moving forward. We want to get everyone on board that wants to work, and we're a close-knit team, and yeah, we can provide our services to the best of our ability.